Hello and welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to discuss a common problem that many of us face in our homes. Bad smells in the bathroom. Having a bad odor in the bathroom can be unpleasant and embarrassing, especially if you have guests over. But don't worry, there are several things you can do to get rid of the smell. Firstly, make sure that bathroom is well ventilated. If you don't have a window, install an exhaust fan to remove the stale air and moisture from the bathroom. This will also help prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which can contribute to bad odors. Secondly, keep your bathroom clean and dry. Make sure to clean the toilet bowl, sink and shower regularly with a disinfectant cleaner. Also wipe down any surface that tends to accumulate moisture, such as the shower curtain or walls. Another thing you can do is to use natural odor absorbers. Place a bowl of baking soda or activated charcoal in your bathroom to absorb the bad smells. You can also use essential oils or air fresheners to add a pleasant scent to the air. Lastly, check out any plumbing issues that may be causing bad smells. Clogged drains or leaky pipes can contribute to unpleasant odors. If you suspect that this is the case, call a professional plumber to fix the problem. In summary, there are several ways to get rid of the bad smell in the bathroom, including proper ventilation, then regular cleaning and disinfecting, using natural odor absorbers, and checking for the plumbing issues. With these tips, you can enjoy a fresh and clean smelling bathroom in no time. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. If you find this video to be informative, please click on the like and subscribe button. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.